Welcome to InstantGMP. We're excited to introduce our latest innovation, Dynamic Fields, a powerful enhancement to our electronic batch records. Built to meet GMP standards, Dynamic Fields expand data capture capabilities and bring flexibility to the manufacturing process. Whether it's executing calculations, providing operators with selectable options, or standardizing data entry across records, this feature delivers a seamless cloud-based solution. The best way to understand dynamic fields is through a demonstration. Within the master production record, values or formulas can be predefined for operators to use. Let's walk through a simple example, a density calculation. Imagine a container with a fixed volume. An operator pours powdered material into the container, measures the mass on a balance, and records the result. The only input required from the operator is the mass, because the container's volume is locked as a constant. Once entered, the system automatically performs the calculation, eliminating the need for manual math and ensuring accuracy every time. But arithmetic is just the beginning. Dynamic fields can also carry results into subsequent steps. For example, the density value we just calculated can drive operator decisions by populating a drop-down menu with selectable options. This ensures consistent, data-driven choices throughout the process. Dynamic fields are designed not just to capture data, but to streamline operations, reduce errors, and support smarter decision-making. To learn more about how dynamic fields can enhance your workflow, contact an InstantGMP sales representative today. InstantGMP, revolutionizing operator support.